What if I told you there was a legal investment account that could help pay for education, grow tax-free, and become part of your family's long-term wealth strategy? Most people have heard of a 529 plan. Very few understand how powerful it can be. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to introduce you to a financial tool that every family should understand. It's called a 529 college savings plan. Despite the name, it's about much more than just college. Here's how it works. You contribute money into a 529 account. That money can be invested in mutual funds or other investment portfolios. Over time, those investments have the potential to grow. If the money is used for qualified education expenses, the investment earnings are generally not subject to federal income tax. That's one of the reasons many families use 529 plans as part of a long-term education strategy. Today's qualified education expenses may include traditional colleges, many trade schools, apprenticeship programs, and in some cases, even K-12 tuition. Imagine opening a 529 plan when a child is born, contributing a little every month, allowing decades of compound growth to work for your family. Instead of borrowing for education, your investments may help fund it. Now imagine thousands of families across the African diaspora doing the same thing. Every child begins life with an investment account. Every generation starts a little further ahead than the one before. That is how wealth is built, not overnight, generation by generation, family by family. Financial freedom begins with financial education. Learn the tools, teach your children, build assets that can outlive you. If you believe in building generational wealth across the African diaspora, subscribe to the African Ubuntu Global Network, because ownership is more than money. It's a legacy. I am your Ubuntu King. Ubuntu.